Today I've got the bumper off my car because I'm going to recondition the steering cooler pipe. Behind the bumper grill, the lower half, is this pipe which runs in a loop along here and back, and the steering fluid passes through that pipe and is cooled by the airflow as you drive along. Now, as you can see, this pipe is starting to go a little bit rusty in places. At this stage it's just surface rust and the paint is coming off. But in the past, on a previous car, I've had one of these become punctured as a result of corrosion, and that of course gives you a steering leak, and once you've lost all your oil, your steering doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to recondition this. Now, I've got a cordless drill here with a small brass flat wheel, and I've also got a fibre flap wheel, and I've already been along on here and cleaned off all the loose material. And here I've got a strip of glass paper. You could use emery, but I haven't got any emery, so I'm using glass paper. It allows you to get behind. Cleans it up, because we're going to paint it up. You want to be able to key all the paint in. Do that along all of the pipe, and of course the top one. And when you've done that, you can then clean up the front, like so. I would suggest that you remove whatever fixings are in place on your car. That frees the pipe is now free to move, and it also means that you can get at the whole of the pipe when you're going to repaint it. Now, before the next stage, once you've rubbed down, just clean all the dust and dirt off. Now I'm going to use a rust converter product. This is Hammerite Cure Rust, but there are plenty of others on the market. Pour a little into a container that you don't mind throwing away. This is just a lid from a spray can. Use a brush and then methodically put plenty on all over. You want to get to the, don't forget to get to the front and the back. So there you go, you can see I've painted the whole of the pipe with my Cure Rust product. Follow the instructions for whatever product is that you're using, and leave it the necessary amount of time to convert the surface rust. So, having left the rust converter to work for the requisite time as per the instructions, I'm now just simply painting the pipe with an enamel paint, because enamel paint is quite tough. You want it to be able to withstand the road dirt that gets on it. So just paint the whole of the pipe like so, nice and easy. So you can see I've now painted the whole of the steering coolant pipe all the way around into the corner there. All that remains is to put the clips back on. we go.